Today I'm going to show you how to bind your quilt using your backing instead of bias tape or binding strips. Cut all the way around your quilt, leaving about 1.5 to 2 inches of your backing fabric. Once you're ready to do the binding on your quilt, here's the easiest and simplest way I found. Fold the fabric in half so that the edge of the fabric meets the edge of your quilt, and then fold it again so you have a nice smooth edge overlapping your quilt. Add a couple pins and then continue all the way down that edge of the quilt. When you get to a corner, you're going to fold the corner down like a little dog ear. Then you'll continue folding the next edge halfway down and then folding it again so that it has a smooth edge overlapping the quilt. After you do this, you should have a nice angled seam at the corner of your quilt. Pin the corner down and continue folding and pinning all the way around the quilt. I like to sew along the border closer to the inside of the quilt rather than down the middle of the border. When you get to the corner, reinforce that corner seam. Just raise the foot, pivot the quilt to an angle, and then sew up and down that little seam. Keep going until you've made it all the way around the quilt. Be sure to cut off all strings before gifting or enjoying your new quilt. Here's a couple different examples and variations of this quilt. Check out my other video for a tutorial on how to make the entire quilt.